All right, this section is gonna show you from a cold start, and you can hear the engine and you can see some of the gauges go on. Okay, so we're gonna activate this to an on position, and then you will see these gauges move. Here we go. That's turning on power. And I'm gonna try to do this. I gotta do this two hands, okay? So this is down. I'm gonna have to press this, but also I gotta engage the brakes. High beam on, turn on to high beam. All right, let's try that again, okay? We're gonna cut the engine, kill switch, activate that. And let's see, I'm gonna put this over here so you can kind of hear it. Activating. There we go. Yes. All right, I'm gonna try that again so you can just hear it. Very simple. It's done in actually just 1 second. Engage the brakes. There we go. Try it again. Maybe it's better from the offside. Great, easy, quick start. It's a Yamaha TMax.